Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word servo. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The robotic arm uses a servo motor to precisely control its movements. A servo is a type of motor that provides precise control and positional feedback in robotics and automation systems to accurately manipulate objects. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.